Welcome to this video, and today we are going to talk about mp3cut.net. Um, this is when you are going to splice some audio files, or like it says um, on the center of your screen, it says audio cutter. You can trim or cut any audio file online. Now, why do we need to learn this? Because there are times that you need to cut an audio file. For example, the file is too long, like 20-minute file or a 15-minute file. If you upload that on a certain magic, anong tawag dito? Transcript, your machine transcript natin, sometimes it takes long and hindi niya kaya yung ganong capacity, especially if you're using the free tool. So, normally, we use the mp3cut.net to splice or to cut the audio, or for example, ang kailangan mo lang ay 1 to 2 minute audio and you don't need the rest of it. It doesn't make sense na ipapatranscribe mo sa machine transcript yon. And another reason is para lumiit yung file size. Okay? So that's the reason why, some of the reasons why you need to use an MP3 cutter or you cut an audio file. Yeah, so sa Ecom din, kailangan din to. So halimbawa, I have this one. Okay, so this file is 14 minutes. So mahaba to. Right? So, on this section, lagay ko lang yung sarili ko sa gitna. Ayan. So, you can play.
Today I need you to embrace what comes hard. Today I need you to accept the challenge.
Okay. So, you can listen to it. Now, what you can do is click on the start. Pwede mong i-drag. You can drag this. Pwedeng i-reset. Let's say, oops, nagkamali ako. I will reset. You can change the speed, you can change the volume, yung pitch, yung pagtaas at pagbaba ng tono niya, yung equalizer, but we don't usually touch that. Let's say, for example, you only want 1 to, halimbawa, 1 minute and, oops, di ba? Notice na nag-move yung cursor. So, let's reset. Cancel editing. Yes, maybe. Oh, let's start again. Biglang niyang kinancel. Okay, so from 14, di ba napansin mo kanina nag-move siya? O, let's just go ahead and say 10 minutes. Ayan. So, nabawasan, right? O kaya, let's say, yeah, 2 minutes. 0 to 0, 0, 0. So, ito lang yung file na gagamitin natin. What you can do is, so choose an option. MP3 is the most popular. You click on Save. Save. Okay? Now, halimbawa naman, so that is the 2-minute mark. Kung gusto mo naman na from 0 to ayan. From, let's say, I don't know. Let's reset. Ayaw pa rin. Cancel editing, yes. Kanina nagawa ko na nandun lang siya. So, just go ahead and play along with this video. Ang ginawa ko kasi kanina, bago itong video na to. So, ginawa ko, so, yung mark na 2 minutes, diba? Tapos, with the same na hindi natatanggal dito sa screen, nagawa ko na nag-edit ulit ako na yung dulo naman ang kinuha ko. So, that's what I am trying to do. But you know that I am recording this like very raw. Ayan. Ganyan, no? Parang ginagawa ko siya kanina. Tapos, click on save. Yes. So, ayaw niya talaga ma-reset. Pwede pa rin siya, ayun, nakalimutan ko na. So, dinrag ko siya ulit pabalik. Ayan. Tapos, di ba, nakat mo na. So, tingnan natin to, punta tayo sa, oops, baka makancel ko yung yung recording. Punta tayo sa downloads. Ayan. So, 4-minute mark siya, di ba? Ito yung 2 minute kanina. Yan. So, paiksi-paiksi per per let's say 1 minute muna, tas the other 2 minutes, the other 3 minutes. So you get the idea. Pwede yon. Hindi mo ma you won't mess up the original file kasi hindi niya ikakat yung original. Parang kung magagawa siya ng isa pang file that you will be able to use. Does it make sense? Ayan. So, na-notice that I still have the file here of 14, no? 1458. Nandito pa rin siya. Tapos, ito yung kinat ko na 2 minutes kanina. Look at my cursor. Look at this one. 1458. Tapos, 2 minutes. Tapos, yung huli kong ginawang move is 4.58. So, hindi ko nasa-sacrifice yung original audio. Alright? And anyway, just in case, for the sake of argument, na mess up mo siya, napalitan mo, na override mo, balik ka lang dun sa original file, saan yung binigay na file ni client sa'yo. Nakasave yun somewhere, right? Kasi dinownload na natin to lahat sa computer natin. Pero the original file ni client are saved in either the email or in YouTube embedded link or sa Google Drive. Tama? So, nandun siya. So, kunin mo lang ulit yon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about messing things up. But the important thing is you're learning. Napapansin nyo naman all throughout this recording of the course, sometimes I mess up too, sometimes I make mistakes, so but I don't care. You see the raw and authentic video that I am creating for you. No editing. Tamad na rin ako mag-edit. So, yan. So, I hope you learned something here. On the next video, we are going to talk about how you can record your screen, which is important also. See you on the next video.